This kit is small, compact and finished in an ethnic style. Easily fitting into the palm of your hand, this kit can be easily slipped into your pocket or put in your camping bag. It doesn't take up much space, and as it's packaged in a small and firmly closing leather pouch, it'll never just fall open and is perfect for storing its contents. The long leather cords allow you to tie the kit up when necessary, as well as to conveniently hang it next to a wood-fired oven or fireplace, or near the hearth when camping. In this kit, you'll find a bundle of jute twine, which you'll need when preparing your dry kindling, a tinder box made of tin with 30 pieces of charcloth tinder carefully placed inside. One piece ought to be enough for you to make a fire. Later on, you can use the box and any natural cotton or linen fabric to make more tinder over a fire. There's a piece of flint. When you strike the flint with a steel striker, sparks will be produced. These sparks will fall onto the tinder, which will then begin to smoulder. Here's a 2.36 inch long steel striker on a leather strap. The small size of the steel striker, the low weight, and the compact and simple design make this kit especially suitable for younger campers.